finding the median using the VarStats function in our graphing calculator. Here they ask us to identify the median of the set below using VarStats. And they give us this data set here. There are approximately 23 values. So what I want you to do is pause the video here and enter these data values into L1 of your graphing calculator. To get to L1, you turn your calculator on, you press Stat, you choose number 1 Edit, and then enter all of the data values in L1. After you enter each data value, press Enter to return to the next line. And at the end, you should have a total of 23 data values. So once you're done, press Resume to begin play again. Okay, so you've entered all of your data values into your graphing calculator. Now we're ready to actually find the median. So let's press Second and Quit to go back to our home screen. And from here, press Stat again, arrow over to Calc this time, and the very first option is VarStats. So press Enter. And now it's waiting for us to tell it which list we want to calculate the VarStats on. We entered our data into L1, so we want to press Second and 1 to make it show L1 in that first entry. Press Enter. Now it's asking for a frequency list. This only happens once in a while. If you have a list where the first column lists the actual data values and the second column lists how often those data values occur in the data set, that would be your frequency list. But we didn't have one of those here. So I'm going to skip that by pressing Enter. And then when I highlight Calculate, I'm going to press Enter. And that's going to take me back to my home screen. And VarStats is going to give us a lot of information. But for the sake of this video, we're only interested in the median. So I'm going to arrow down, and that's what those little arrows mean. It means there's stuff above or below. I'm going to arrow down until I see Med for median. And there it is right there at the bottom. So my median for this data set is 276. So the median of our data is 276. And that's really all there is to finding medians using VarStats. Until next time.